G'day, Beanie here. In this episode, I do a camping out in the boat test run, catch a couple of squid before heading out further in the morning. A double hookup and bagging out in southern bluefin tuna for the second time in a week, with a personal best included. Enjoy. Good evening, not morning this time. Wow, it has been a mission. I've literally just finished day shift, flew home, doing the speed limit of course, and then put everything in the boat, straight to the boat ramp, put the boat in, all within 15 minutes of getting home, just so I can get this sunset to you guys from the water. Ah, beautiful. Alrighty, I am riding solo tonight. Unfortunately, Five can't make it. She's got to work tomorrow, which is a little bit sad, but sometimes it's good just to get out on your own and have a little bit of me time. I'm in my favourite spot in the world, the ocean. So yeah, it's going to be an all-nighter. I'm going to look at trying to get some squid. Once it goes a bit darker, I can turn the lights on in the boat, and they're a little bit they're attracted to the light. Hopefully get some squid and then sleep in the boat. I've got the camping gear in there. Sleep in the bottom of the boat. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I don't think it's going to rain. She's pretty beautiful out here. And then we will wake up early, have some breakfast and punch it out to where we got those tuna last week, which were delish, by the way. They were good for sure. So if we can catch any more of them, but in the end, main goal once again is to try and find a Metro Mackie. Oh, I will get one one day. I will get one day. Okay, so while I'm cooking dinner, I'm going to just chuck out these little squid jigs, and yeah, hopefully there's enough light here to attract them, and we will have some squid to eat tomorrow morning. That would be awesome. It was very quiet on the squid front at night time, so I decided to go to bed instead. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it a night. It's 9 o'clock and I'm absolutely knackered. Could be an interesting night's sleep. It's still a little bit bumpy out here. I thought it might have glassed off by now, but oh well, hopefully it does over the night. Alright, we'll see you in the morning. Well, it didn't really glass off last night, so it wasn't a lot of hours slept, but we did get some sleep, so pretty happy with that. Everything performed well. I did hear the automatic bilge turn on a few times, so that's good. Get rid of that water. Anyways, I'll get into it. Yeah, of course. Something? Got something. He's a good one. Instantly dead. The most humane way to kill one of these things. Beautiful. Another one. Oh, we're going again. Woo! Alright, the squiddies have decided to come along. Alright, doesn't look like much, but that's breakfast. Got interrupted by a squid, so a couple of things are overcooked there, but a couple of squiddies, can't see them there. I'll get them out of the bucket soon. I've caught more squiddies on the green jigs than any other colour. So what's your favourite colour? Let me know in the comments what one works for you the best. That's a big boy. Alright, 2 squiddies. They're pretty bloody big, they're good size. So. Alrighty, breakfast is done, everything's all packed up. Whoop, turn that off. Everything's all packed up and I'll set these rods up and then we'll shoot off. Let's go, let's do this, let's get another pelagic. We are on! Woo! Alrighty, brain spiked him. Another southern bluefin. He's going to be dinner, that's for sure. Sashimi for sure. Alright, one on the board, one on the board. 2 more to go. A nice big one of those will be good. I've only been catching little ones. That's what we're looking for. Little bait balls like that. It doesn't look like there's anything bigger underneath them. Alright, we've got some birds diving just over here. See what oh, we're on again. How's that climbing? Oh, we're double hook up. Double hook up. Oh shit, it's gonna be fun. Which one do I go for? He's only small again. Ah, he's a bit bigger. Oh, put him in there for a minute. See if this other one's on the other line. Highly doubt it. Would have spat it by now. Oh no, he's still there, I think. Oh, he's a bit bigger. Alrighty, which one's bigger? Yep. Swim this guy? Yep, he's gone. And we'll keep this guy. Woo! That's some action. We'll just keep cruising around here for a sec. Oh my god. You should see the sounder, look at that. That's all tuna. Alright, we'll get him back in. We'll keep one of them and then we'll try and get a bigger one. Oh my god. I was literally just putting the lure back out and smashed it straight away. This one's a bit bigger. Woo! Oh no. Oh no. Ah, I dropped him. He was the bigger one too. Ah, they're in plague proportions around here. Check that out. Oh my god. That's, I cannot believe that. I was literally just releasing the lure out the back. Birds are starting to turn it on. Go back around. That is mental. That one was a lot bigger and I lost him. Oh, he's better. He's definitely better. Better. This one feels a lot better. Sorry about the clicker, guys. It's coming up. You'll see the boat, then he'll shoot off again. Coming in from down deep. It's going down deep. Oh, he's a good one. He's a good one. Much better. Oh yeah. That is us done. Done for today. Woo! It doesn't matter if you're catching a sailfish, a marlin, I've done all that. I love that as well. But getting PBs of whatever variety you're going for, whether it's King George, even Skippy, I love that just as much. And that is a PB. Well, I certainly did not expect that today, but that it is. I'm just gonna drag these lines back in. Hopefully nothing grabs them on the way back in. Are you kidding me? Oh man, there's just too many of them here. Oh, he's good too. This guy's gonna have to go back though. Oh, foul hooking. I can't believe that. There is so many here. Check out this screen. That is crazy. Jason, I wish you were here, buddy. This guy. 68 PB. You beautiful thing. There we go. Woo! Southern Bluefin Tuna PB, 68 centimetre. It'd be, oh geez, it'd be probably 5 kilo, I'd say. It's easy. Awesome, awesome fish, man. The colours in him, absolutely beautiful. Alright, we'll gut this fish, gut these fish, and head back. Okay, that way. Let's do it. I'll just go into some calmer water. Just that wind's coming up, so I don't want to be stuck out here in such a little boat, that's for sure. Alright, let's go. I'll clean them up in there. Check this out. I've literally used just under a quarter of a tank for 2 trips. I love this motor. It's only small, but it gets me to point A to point B very, very cheaply. So my mate Scotty, he put in a request to get one of these last time I went out last week. So Scotty, this one's yours, mate. Once again, those Mac baits proved to be a winner again, and this is like a little Helco, little deep diver. Just got just as many, so I think it was 2 and 2. Obviously they were, oh sorry, 3 and 2, and then 2 went back. So that's 2 trips in 1 week and 2 bag outs. Oh, slimy as. Yeah, very happy, very happy. Alrighty guys, we'll end the episode there. I'm going to shoot in, do the cleanup, fall asleep, go to night shift tonight. Not bad for a shift change, eh? 2 squid and a bag out of southern bluefins, and my PB southern bluefin at the same time. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Like, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, we'll see you very shortly. We're off to Bali in 10 days, I think, for a week, so we might do some fishing over there. Never know. I don't know what we'll do over there, but I know there's going to be a few bintangs drank, that's for sure. Alrighty guys, we'll see you again very shortly, and don't forget, hit that like button if you like what you see, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.